All right, made it out here to where we used to camp when we were young. This is some of the campgrounds. They got more over here, but it's an utter shame. You know, this place was awesome at one time. Surprised I made it out here. The roads, I mean, they're just brutal. Just rough road all the way. Another little campground over there. But yeah, this is where it was at, man. This was the bee's knees back in the day. But yeah, this road that I had to come up just to get back here, I mean, I don't even know if I'd want to go down to that campground. I wonder why people don't come out here anymore. I mean, it's still awesome and secluded. It's just treacherous to get back in here. I mean, look at this road. May not look too bad here, but trust me, this is pretty gnarly. This stuff, you need like a big old lifted 4x4 for. Little Baja, man. She didn't have the greatest of times, but still did it. Yeah, if you get out here, this is where I had to come in at. Someone's got a chair set up over there. Wonder how long that thing's been there. Huh. Could have been from us. We could have left it. I mean, this road is just bumpy and divotty. I mean, just walking on it is tough. I mean, if you look down here, look at that. Here's some signs. Yeah, take out our trash for sure. No shooting in campgrounds. But man, it is nice out here. Yeah, this is the old campgrounds. Can't believe they let these roads get this bad back here. They should fix them up and, you know, make this place usable for people again. Maybe then people would come back here. Just not crazies like me that bring 40-year-old Volkswagens out into this messed up terrain. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys the old campground, what it's looking like now. Maybe we can get a petition going. Fix up Colson Canyon. Let us use it. I don't think anyone's camped out here for a long time. I didn't see one car driving in. I mean, I know the weather's not the greatest. But still, you would think you'd at least see someone. We used to see people all the time back in here. I mean, these poor tables are just getting decrepit. They've seen better days. Oh well. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I found it. I'm gonna go back home, I guess, and getting out here was a pain. There wasn't much fun stuff for me to do. It was just bumpy, rocky. Couldn't really tear it up or anything. I mean, I tried in the spots I could. I mean, the car did good. Don't get me wrong. It did really good. It's just feels like I'm abusing it, running it on these roads, but I guess that's what we built them for. You know, abuse them, use them, have fun in them, and if they break, then you fix it. That's why they're so simple and easy to use and work on. You know, I mean, this ain't no Chevy or Ford. This ain't no new car with all these computers. This thing is basic and simple, easy. Until you have a problem and then you're like, oh gosh, what did I do? Yeah. Check out this road. I mean,